गुड मॉर्निंग लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, वेलकम बैक टू माय व्लॉग्स अगेन। तो कैसे आप सब लोग? Starting to rain slowly and I feel the adventure is going to be pretty nice. Pardon me for the fact that I'm not wearing any safety gears because I don't really have any off-road gear for myself. Whatever gear I'm using, it's mostly on-road gear, so wearing this pant, some normal shoes, not even a racing boot because that needs to go to Delhi. Him on the other hand, he's wearing a nice Viking Brotherhood gear, I mean a jacket and some knee sliders, which is not going to help him anyway if he falls down, because we are sure to make this thing very slow because we don't have any other alternatives also, because it's raining. And wearing a helmet is enough because my helmet is also a full face helmet. It's not an open helmet like the ones we should use for off-road. Let's see how much fuel we have. 2 grooves. I think that should do. We might fuel up later. Everything's working fine except for the fact that I need to set something. First and foremost, I need to set cycle traction control by putting it to off. Off. कोई टाका गुस्सा मजा आयो एको ना आराम से रेस्ट लो आधा रेस्ट लो जोर गुटाई लो आराम से जोर गुटाई लो बढ़िया आराम से ऑफ रोड बाइक पड़े উপায় নাই অফ রোডত বাইক পৰিবই স্লো যোৱা আৰামছে যোৱা ৰ'বা স্লো যাই থাকা একদম স্লো আহা ইফালে হ'ব আহা আস্তে আস্তে আহি থাকা মানে এটা কি জায়গা বে হ্যাঁ ধুনীয়া জায়গা দেখোন বে বোলা আগত ফটো ল'ম বোলা Guys, you won't believe me क्या हम मिस कर रहे थे इतने दिनों से look at this place man look at this place and this place is not far from Guwahati this place is not far from my place ये मेरे घर से मुश्किल से 5 किलोमीटर दूर पे होगा look at that nice water dropping coming down wow इधर क्या कुछ नहीं हो सकता इतना अच्छा सीनिक ब्यूटी है हमारे इधर और हम कभी इसको एक्सप्लोर ही नहीं करा हमने wow I'm so glad that हम दोनों आज आए माली हैप्पी ना वे मोर देन हैप्पी कि हम यहाँ पे आए और हमने ये एक्सप्लोर करा rather than going very fast anywhere we came slow we came steady and we came in a mood to explore this place wow यहाँ पे आराम से हम आ सकते हैं I mean bikers can come down अच्छे से गैदरिंग करा हमने you know have a little barbecue maybe because यहाँ का जो satisfaction है यहाँ आके amidst this beauty of nature I mean just look at it मेरे को कभी I mean I'm a local here मैं यहीं से हो खानापाड़ा is my home I never saw this place I never saw anyone come to this place and it's a beauty मुझे बस वही कहना है and मैं इधर definitely बार आऊँगा थैंक यू KTM फॉर गिविंग मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी अगर आपने मुझे ये बाइक नहीं दी होती आई वुडंट हैव बीन एबल टू कम हियर सो थैंक यू सो मच एडवेंचर 390 हैज़ लिव्ड अप टू इट्स नेम वी हैव इंडीड कम ऑन अ ग्रेट एडवेंचर और हमारा एडवेंचर सक्सेसफुल हुआ बिकॉज द आउटकम इज़ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल द आउटकम इज़ दिस amidst nature I mean when we say Assam when we say northeast we say about hills we talk about greenery लेकिन बहुत कम दिखने को मिलता है actually but this is it this is the thing that we search for और as a adventure biker I mean I'm a very new adventure biker actually तो मेरे लिए पूरा सीन बहुत न्यू है but I'm very happy कि I stepped into this and I'm very happy with KTM that they gave us the opportunity that we are here finally oh god this is mesmerizing I'll just take a few pictures and then get back on the vlog with the camera. So we enjoyed here a little bit, played around and relaxed a while, like 10 minutes give or take. Now we're planning to head back. So there's one more road that we saw while coming up. I'm not sure that road is crossable by a motorcycle. I'm sure trucks and all they cross that side, but nevertheless we are on an adventure mode right now with the X-Pulse and Adventure 390. We'll definitely go that side and give it a shot. Who knows, it might turn out something good just like this, because even this road, last time we came around, we had to take a U-turn from where the road started narrowing, because we were too scared. And back then we had a bike which didn't have a proper number plate and everything, so it was a very brand new bike. This time we came prepared, and we came prepared to go slow. So we came here, got this amazing surprise, and right now we are gonna explore that side as well. So while coming up, I came ahead because this is unknown terrain, and I came pretty slow so that Mali could follow me nicely. Now going back down, I've asked him to go ahead so that I can capture a little bit of his footage, and I'll be following him. But then again, once we cross that road, again I'll take the lead, because ultimately we don't know where we're going. So it's just an exploration, that's it, adventure. Motorcycle, NPC off. It's actually not that bad. I mean, switching on and off the NPC is pretty easy. Even on the fly you can switch it back on if you're thinking road's too slippery, don't want to take risk. Ja, slow ja. Slow, huh? And whenever on these trails, you should remember to keep yourselves hydrated. I mean, if you feel thirsty and all that, remember to take in a lot of water. Keep yourselves hydrated, because dehydrations will lead to cramps, and cramps will lead to falling down, crashes and whatnot. A lot of risk. Slow, slow, Marley, slow. Look at the amount of jungle there is. Slow and steady. You should always be aware of where your front wheel is going, because you always want traction on that wheel. Front wheel. The rear, even if it slides and all, it's pretty much manageable and controllable. But front is something you have to know how to control. What the fuck? This thing looks a bit slippery. Okay. Go down slow. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. I don't think people come here very often because the roads are pretty much untouched. There's a lot of jungle, small plants growing on the roads. That means it's not very frequently visited by nearby people, locals, or whatever, even trucks. What the fuck? Well, actually, now I would say going up was the easy part, and looking at the size of the stones. Coming down is the hard. And from here, this road is visited by people. As you can see, there are tire marks. It's pretty wide. Nori? हाँ पीछे था. What is it? Now there's another quarry out here, but this one looks pretty much visited because there are tire marks, truck tire marks. I take a bet there's been recent blastings and all over here. So I don't think this makes much of a sense for us to come for adventure, because it's quite explored place, and I'm pretty sure there'll be more people who have been coming in recently. So with a sad heart but yet happy because we found out new places, we're moving back from here. Let's see what else we have in store for us.